Here is the trick bolt puzzle. It is otherwise known as the Eiffel Tower Bolt and the cross-threaded nut and bolt puzzle. The object of this puzzle is to remove the washer. It looks pretty simple, but with all puzzles there is a trick. When I originally purchased this bolt on Amazon, I thought it was going to be a much more complicated puzzle. Normally some of the puzzles I work on require you hitting it against a table, finding a pinhole, doing some weird thing with a screwdriver, or something a lot more complicated than this. Turns out that the bolt is actually two separate pieces. And the only thing that you need to do is to get the threads to align properly. When you twist the second piece of the bolt in the right direction and then hold it in place, you remove the nut like any other bolt. It's very simple. The one thing that I've noticed when I give it to other people to solve, it takes them less time than I think. That's because this puzzle in specific has a very distinct notch where the two pieces of the bolt are cut. That distinct line gives it away as to what the solution of the puzzle is. For that reason, I have created a 3D model of this specific puzzle. If you were to 3D print the 3D modeled version, the cut line would be much less distinct, making it a little bit harder for somebody to solve. However, the one thing that I really like about this puzzle is how good it looks. It is a good looking puzzle, and it is something that I would personally keep on my desk. So, I hope this video is enjoyable for you. This is a pretty cool puzzle to work with. I like it, and if you thought this was interesting, leave a like. Thanks.